G'day guys. So for today's video, as you've seen from the title, I'll be doing some battery testing for my little UMX Timber-X. So some of you may have seen a couple of months ago I got myself an e-Flite UMX Timber-X airplane, something to have a bit of fun with at the football oval, which is literally just down the street from like a walking distance away. But I only had one battery, and problem is it's good, flies great, but with one battery, you get 5 minutes of flight and that's it. And the problem was too is I wanted to get a couple of these batteries, but there was only one, and it's a Turnigy battery, and it's 370 milliamp hour, but it was the only one they had in stock. Typical of Hobby King. Anyway, so I decided to get a couple more batteries. However, if I just flip the camera for a second, and I'll show you what I got. So in here, I have bought a couple of batteries. So these are what I have here. So I bought two of these. So it's a Turnigy 450 milliamp hour 3-cell, and I've had a couple of people say to me, "Oh, you shouldn't use them. You're not good. Oh, they're too big. Blah blah blah." Now this is the battery I originally bought for it. So this is the 370 milliamp hour. And when you put it next to it, yeah, it is bigger and so forth. However, I was limited to what I could get, and there was no more of these in stock, and I am not paying the ridiculous price for Spectrum batteries. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go down to the football oval and do a bit of testing and have some fun. Alright, so got the this is the little 370 in. That's from memory where I put for balance. I'll do the same with the 450. I'll probably have to move it back because of its size, but we'll do a flight on this battery and we'll see how we go. So, alright. Let's see how we go.
Timer start.
Always got to watch out for poles. It's funny, I think I'm further away than what I actually am, but I'm probably a lot closer. Definitely a lot of fun to fly. Probably put that battery a bit further forward, but at the moment it's manageable. So what I'll do when I get the next battery, I'm going to put it the same spot as I do for this particular battery. Whoop, bit of a thermal there. And I'll try and see what it's like to fly, so it'll most likely be nose heavy. What's the glide like? Seems to be a bit of a thermal right there, it just gets a little jumpy. Check for the poles. Yeah, right there. See how it bobs up and down? I'll try that again, so I'll bring it around, see if it does the little bubble jump. So bring it around. Yeah, not too bad there. Got a bit of a wind at the moment, which is annoying. Yeah, right there. So this is how it flies most of the time with the 370 milliamp hour 3 cell. So I'm quite curious to see what it's going to be like.
30 seconds.
What it's going to be like with the 450s in it, because they are physically bigger. So I'll just fly around
10,
here. Oh, there we go.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Alright. Alright.
Timer stop. Timer cleared.
Alright, so now we'll put the bigger battery in. Okay, so I've got the 450 in, and I have it placed where I would have the 370 milliamp hour battery. So I'm expecting it to be a little nose heavy, which isn't too bad. It means it just means it probably won't be as responsive, but we'll see how we go. Okay, control surface check. Alright, now I'm only still got the timer set for 5 minutes, so let's see how we go.
Timer start.
Well, it actually feels a little bit better. So I'm going to go easy on this flight, well, for a few minutes, just to see what it's like. It does want to go down a little bit with the wind. Into the wind, I mean, that's my finger off the elevator and it's climbing into the wind. But when I go with the wind, so we're going with the wind now, and you'll see it want to drop a little bit. Not so much. Definitely doesn't climb as hard as it does with the smaller battery, but that's not too bad. So we'll go into the wind, do a roll. Yeah, not bad. Yeah. So it's pretty much the same with the wind and against the wind. Yeah, it doesn't have that climb because there's that bit more weight, which isn't too bad. Yeah, gliding it wants to go down quicker. Yeah, loops are still controllable, but like I said, it just doesn't seem to have that same rate of climb. It'll still, yeah, still climbs all right. But on the whole, because like I said, this is the exact same placement where I put the 370 battery, so this is honestly, I would have expected, like as you can see here, that's off the elevator and it just drops down like that. So with the 370 it does have a little bit more length of glide, I guess you could say. It doesn't want to drop as much. So that's off throttle, that's finger off the elevator. Yeah. Still climbs all right. Definitely a lot of thermals. I am right next to a little clubhouse behind me here for the football.
30 seconds.
Oh, time flies when you're having fun, literally. Only 30 seconds left.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Well, that was fun. Alright, with battery 2 I have put the battery back a little bit, so with the other one I had it further forward, closer to the motor plate, so I have this one a little bit back, and we'll see how it goes on this flight.
Timer start.
Definitely feels a little bit more agile on elevator. See what the glide's like. It still wants to drop hard. Not a lot of difference. Still feels good though. Definitely doesn't like it near me because of the turbulence. Still nice to fly. It is a bit more agile on elevator though. Not a lot, but just a bit more. Do a low pass. We'll gain a bit of altitude, do a bit of inverted, see what that's like. I'm still kind of getting used to this model though. It is.
30 seconds.
Oh well, so much for that. It is still relatively new to me.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Well guys, I'd call that a successful test. So honestly, I didn't really notice a lot of differences in flying characteristics. When I was flying there at the Oval, it was a bit windy. A couple of things I did notice with the two different size batteries. Obviously, with the smaller 370 milliamp hour pack, it did have a quicker rate of climb and it could climb easier. I did also notice too that with the bigger battery packs, the glide characteristics, it wanted to drop quicker. But yeah, other than that, it was a little bit more stable than with the smaller pack. But other than that, I think it handled it really well. So if you have one of these little Timber-X's or a model, one of the other UMX models, I'm not too sure about other models, but I know that with the Timber-X, it flies pretty damn good with the 450 milliamp hour size packs. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this simple video. I hope you enjoyed some of the footage. And until then guys, enjoy your hobby and cheers.